Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Good quality video is very significant if you are a content creator or even just simply creating memories. And one of the factors that affects the quality of the video is the accessory that you're using, and one of which is the microphone. So let me show to you and unbox this NEEWER CM28 Pro. This is a portable solution for the content creators and even professionals because this little box here has got everything in it. So this is what the box looks like, and I have mentioned it a lot of times in my previous unboxing videos that I like it when they're very securely packaged because I would know that the products inside are free from breakage or any damages. So what's inside here? Oh, by the way, this is again the CM28 Pro wireless lapel microphone system with a charging case. So obviously the user manual or the product information, which you could also download from their website. And then this is a soft pouch here with few cords and connectors on it. So let's just quickly show you. So we have two furry windshield in the event that there is any, unwanted or severe weather, very windy weather, something like that, which you could put on your, can you see it? Which you could put on your microphone. So there's two of them. And also we have few also connectors here. So we have here the USB-C or 3mm, what they call 3.5mm TRS, which is used to connect to Android or tablet. We also have here the USB-A to USB-C, which can be used to connect to your computer. And also we have here 3.5mm TRS to 3.5mm 3RS, which can be used to connect to your DSLR cameras. We also have here another USB-A to USB-C connectors. And also we also have here 3.5mm 3RS, which this can be used to be connected to your phones or iOS products. So we have few connectors here that you could use depending on what you want to, where you want to connect your microphone to. And then here obviously is the charging case. Let me just take this one out. It is actually pretty light and it's very little as well. So that's what it looks like. And at the back, and then when you open it, so you can see here, there's two transmitters and one receiver. So these two microphones here, they have pretty much the same functions though. Well, let me just quickly show you in a closer look. So that's how it looks like. And then on the side is the power button and as well as the noise cancellation button. At the back is a clip where you can clip this obviously on your clothes or where you want to clip it, and also the magnet if you want to put a magnet on, and then the USB connector depending on what you want to use or where you want to connect this microphone to. And obviously there's where you put the microphone. Can you see? And that's where you can actually, this is where you put your this one, the windshield thingy. So you just have to do it like that. And it's actually pretty sturdy and it doesn't come off very easily. So in the event that there's extreme wind or any, you know, if you're outdoors and it's very noisy, that your voice might be distorted or might be like, you know, too difficult to understand, then you can use this one, because this is very good and this will make your voice a bit compact. So that's what is that one for. And the receiver is this one. So again, the on and off button, the connection for where you want to use it for, and on the screen is pretty much actually pretty simple. That's 1 and 2. That means the first mic and the 2 mics. You can actually record different thing and you can just merge it afterwards. So it has got the connectivity on it as well, and where it's connected to. So depending on where you want to connect it to, either you would just want to use 1 microphone or 2 microphones, it's up to you. And then again at the back there is a clip where you can clip it so easily, and those little dots there is just for the charging. You can actually connect this to 3 devices with 1 receiver, and also you can use this as standalone recording. It has got a built-in of 4 GB storage and 9 hours of backup recording. And this has got also an upgraded precision for noise cancellation. And also, by the way, as I've said, it has got 2 windshields, which has got make your voice clear in a windy situation or in those areas wherein your voice can be distorted or there's a lot of noises in the background. So these units here can last up to 9 hours or just 8 hours if it's an extended outdoor recording. So this is the NEEWER CM28 Pro, which is a portable solution for content creators and professionals, especially if you want to make good quality videos, because as I have said, the audio of the video is very important, especially if you want to create a good quality video. And by the way guys, this has got a long distance transmission, which is at least around 200 meters away, so which is really good. So this is again the NEEWER CM28 Pro, which is a portable solution for content creators and professionals, because this little box here has got everything you need in it. If you want to know where I got this product from and also the full specifications of this NEEWER CM28 Pro, please check on the description box below. I think that's all for now guys, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Keep safe everyone. Bye!